Alright guys, so we are on our way to POTA with the FTX-1, and I think this radio gets a pretty bad rap. I don't know. I think that the problem with this radio is Yaesu's marketing. I think they did a really poor job marketing this radio. I think that not allowing speculation on YouTube and just getting mad at people talking about their radio is pretty poor, but it's not the end of the world. That this product's a pretty good product. I did not buy it at first release because I wanted them to get all the kinks worked out. I think that they probably should not have had the amount of kinks in the release of this radio that they did, but I know they were trying to get it out there. Props for them to getting the FTX-1 and the field version and the Optima out there. I have the field version. I really like it. It's not a bad radio. We're going to use it today with the ATOS in the Yoda, but I think the way they handled the situation was very poor. Overall, I've been using it for about a week now. It's a really fun radio. QRP 10 watts is what I've been running it at usually. 5 watts for digital, not bad. I've got plenty of hours in it. I've been off the last couple of days, been running it all day on FT8. It does get a little warm, but it's not terrible. I'm overall pretty pleased with it. Let's hang out. Let's get this POTA going, show you how to use it with the ATOS. We're gonna try to make a few contacts. It's Friday, so people should be off work on the air. We're gonna be on 20 meters today. I prefer 15, but at 10 watts, I want as many people as I can get, and that's gonna be on 20. We're gonna roll up to the antenna, set the radio up, and rock on. I believe this is Park US 4081. I will correct that in a little bit, but we're gonna use Hammers as the logging software. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna hold the function down. We're gonna go to antenna tune, and there it is. I set it up before we left. Tunes the antenna fine. Let's actually turn this RF gain down a little. There's a power line next to me, so that's why we have all that like funky noise. And it's a vertical, so that's not gonna help it anyway.
73, thanks for the new part.
All right, brother, appreciate it. Park to park, come on back, park to park.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra, 5-5, Central Texas, sir. Go ahead with your park.
Roger, Roger, my friend. I'm at US 4085. US 4085. I have you a 5353.
All right, I copy the 53 and the 4085. Is that a QSL?
QSL, your part number, please.
My part number, Uniform Sierra 6569, 6569, QSL.
QSL, my friend, US 6569. Thanks for being out there. Happy, have fun out there, and POTA on.
Hold on, brother. Have a great weekend.
7-3.
This is Kilo 1, Delta Lima Alpha, parts on ears. Okay, hey, Dad, you in Minnesota. Have a great day in 73.
Park to park, park to park.
Okay, here, see, come on in.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Okay, Kilo India 5, Whiskey something?
Whiskey Echo Sierra. Whiskey Echo Sierra. Echo Sierra.
Okay, Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra. Could we get a 5-5 into US 9894.
You copy the US, go ahead and give me the park again. Park again.
My park is top speed, US 94.
Is that a 9894? 9894?
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra. What's your park number?
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Part number is US 4085. US 4085.
Right. Roger, Roger. Plane's really gone blanky, but I got 4085. Thank you.
7-3.
CQ parked on the air. CQ
Park to park.
You're about a 5-4 this morning in Tennessee. Thank you.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Thanks for your time again today. The second part we talked from today.
Park to park. Park to park.
Roger, the 3871, and thanks so much. Thank you. Have a great day. 73, Alpha Charlie 3, November, Quebec, USX.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Park to park. Park to park.
Okay, I think I got a Kilo India 5,
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. Whiskey Echo Sierra. Park to park.
Okay, Kilo India 5, you just came right away there. Let's try it again. Kilo India 5, park to park, go ahead.
Whiskey Echo Sierra. Whiskey Echo Sierra. Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra, and you're about a, I was seeing about a 3 and 3, and what's the park number?
Park number US 4085. 4085. 4085. You are a 494949. QSL 4085. 73. 73. Thanks for working.
Roger, Roger. Alpha Charlie 3, November, Quebec, parked on the air. Georgia. CQ parked on the air. Alpha Charlie 3, November, Quebec, calling. CQ parked on the air. Standing by.
Well, I'd like to say that this was the first time this has happened, but it's definitely not. I did not complete the activation. I was there about an hour and 15 minutes. I made 5 contacts. I did a lot of hunting, a lot of park to park, so it's going to be a failed activation on the website. But it's not a total failure because it helped some other people get their parks activated, and I got to see just what it does, QRP with the ATOS. I really think it performed well. There was a power line near me, so I had to utilize the Super DX function to kind of cut that noise out. I'll put a little bit of the contacts I made here on this video. You've already saw them. I put them in. It is what it is. It's 100 degrees outside. I'm headed home to get back to work on stuff in the shop. I'm gonna hang out with some friends later. So it's not that big of a deal to me that this was a failed activation. I'm more frustrated with the fact that I took an hour and a half out my day and didn't get it done. I didn't have anything planned today, but like I said, it was 100 degrees. It's getting hot. Had the windows rolled down. My ears were getting a little fatigued. The audio is great on this radio, but it just hearing that static from the power lines really just wore me out. You know, called CQ a bunch, couldn't raise anybody. I could hear stations out there, you know, a lot of light copies today, 4-4s, a couple 4-4s. I'll put a map of the contacts I made. Thanks to those guys I made contacts with. I'm gonna say 73 guys. Thanks for watching this failed activation, but don't be discouraged. There'll be plenty more videos coming up, and there will be plenty more POTA to do. 73 guys, Corncob CB Shop.